I love these things. Okay, so explanation as to why my hair looks like this. I washed my hair the previous day, and while it was wet, I decided that I was going to do a twist out. I don't know why I tried, knowing good and well that wet twist outs do not work for me. I keep trying though, for some reason. So it comes out all stringy and ugly looking, but that's okay, you know what? Because today we are going to make this work. Well, tonight I should say. By the way, it's like 10:30 at night maybe, and I'm recording this and I have to get up like 6. But you know what, we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work because I'm not going to my doctor's appointment ugly haired. Okay? Anyway, got my incense burning in the background. I know it's gonna be a good night. It's gonna be full of sweet dreams. Twist outs work for me like this. I have to twist my hair out in order to stretch it. So the first twist out doesn't even count really. It's mainly for stretching. I can't do a stretch and a twist out at the same time and expect great results. It usually comes out like this. That's not the look I'm going for when I want to twist out or braid out, you know? So I end up having to stretch my hair. Otherwise it'll just look like this when I do a twist out, which also is fine. And I have my hair mostly in 3-strand twists with flat twist. So I'm not trying to do all this sectioning in my hair, honestly. It's detangled enough, I think. It's detangled enough, it's combed enough, it's handled enough. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so all I've done at this point is section off my hair. It's all the sections that I wanted in, just to make it easier on myself and this video. I'm gonna use as minimal product as I can. The product that I used before my hair for this twist, for the previous twist out, was this. This is the, can it zoom in? Yeah, this is the Lush Length Light Leave-In. So it's by Shea Moisture, so I guess it's a new product. And it is the hemp seed oil leave-in conditioner. Then I used the growth oil by The Main Choice, so you can see. And I just picked it up because I was like, well, might as well give it a shot. And I never oil my scalp, which I realize is a big no-no. And my hair kind of stunted its growth, so I figured it'd be a good time to start. Then last but not least, and I use this basically as a sealant, but I will do a separate video on this and how I feel about it. Spoiler alert, I like it. And if anyone's wondering why I'm not using gel, it's because all gel would do is flake up my hair again. So I wouldn't want to put gel on top of the stuff that I already have and just cause my hair to flake, and then I have to go ahead and wash my hair again.
Catch a rat by her tail.
Okay, so that is it, guys. I'm all twisted up. Let me get a little close up for you so you can see the detail, you know. I ended up doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. I didn't feel like doing smaller versions and take all night since I have to get up way early in the morning. But we will see how these turn out in the morrow. See you then. Now it is 2 days later. I was going to wait just the 1 day, but I really believed in this twist out. I mean, look at it, it's kind of cute now. When I do these, I usually wait 2 days anyway. So let's get started. Oh, I forgot something. This bio silk, I'm going to be taking it out with just a little bit on the hands. And that is it. It's been a minute since I've done a twist out. I love this. I already know though that it's not going to last 2 or 3 days because I didn't use gel. But it's okay. I think this is worth it. I can do a bit more fluffing out later, but on the first day you don't want to do too much. So this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.